All right, thanks for joining me. And in this video, we're going to take a look at PayPal and see if it's a buying opportunity. If you want to grab my opinion, you can do so on our website at tradersfly.com. Now, on tradersfly.com, you can see there's a lot of classes that we've done here. We've got live classes and just things that we've been going on and doing, and some more that we have coming up. So check that out, and you can grab our newsletter list so that way you can get notified as we do more classes by just going to the freebies. And you can also, download a bunch of them absolutely free. Now, you can go into our Discord channel, which is like a chat room, and you can also connect with me and check out some of the stock movers, ask questions, and much more there. So that's link in the description. All right, let's kick things off and let's get started here. We're going to go ahead and look at PayPal here. So one of the things with PayPal is it's been going down for quite a while, but one of the things that I like about this is that we're coming right into a near $100 level. $100 level is a psychological level of support. Now, we did break below that, so if you are looking at it super technically, yeah, did we get below it? Absolutely. The $100 price level was right about here. And we did break below it a few times, but what I like and what I'm seeing now is we're creating a little bit of this rounding bottom area. And with this rounding bottom area, that's usually a nice base. Before that, what was going on is if you look at this weekly chart, this thing just continued to go straight down, but now we're starting to see some light. So this is a really good thing. So the question is could this be a massive buying opportunity? It depends on your duration. I think right now what we're seeing is the short term, all things look pretty good. Medium term and longer term, what you're starting to see is still kind of like, maybe. So for the time being, from the medium and longer term, we don't know yet. But from the short term perspective, right? So if you're shorter term and kind of a quick trader, this looks pretty good. One thing I do like right now is that, look, we've went ahead, we powered higher. The volume is starting to pick up. That is a good thing, right? So this is all positive. You're breaking this resistance level right here. So that's starting to pick up some speed. And if you get a pullback here, you want to see it on lighter volume. So again, another positive thing. So if we get a pullback, retest, and just hold even at the 100 again, because there's a lot of action in that area. If we come back, retest, and hold, that is a confirmation where things are looking good. So this is typically what you like to see. You also like to see this drying up volume on the sell side. So that is also good. So all these are nice little clues and signals where, hey, it's possible the stock is turning around slightly. Now, again, it doesn't mean it's going to go back to 300, even if it goes down, up to about 180 or even up to 150. That's still really good. Or if we go in and kind of fill this gap area, that's all good news. And you'll see what happens when you look at Square. It's very similar. They're getting into this $100 price point, this level. Stock is breaking through, starting to look good. So when I start seeing things like this, excuse me, this is really positive, and this is pushing things nicely. Now, again, the market is weak, so that's a problem. We do move a little bit in this stock, quite a bit. So right now it's like a $4 move down, even though it felt quite a bit. But the other day it was up 7. So up 7, down 4, not a big deal, still up 3. So that's how you have to look at it, is that in this market, when you're buying already near the lows, you will see like moves like 10 points up and then 5 points down. So in total, you're still only up 5 points, but that's what you see in these markets. And then when you go into it, a pullback is kind of normal. Markets don't go straight up. So you'll go, kind of in this way, but you're still going up. So be mindful of that. But I do like the chart. I like the setup here at the 100 level. The big problem for me is if we break below that $100 level, this, and this, if we break below that, there's kind of 3 main key levels, then it's a big issue. But at that point, this stock could get down into, some serious lower levels. And at $50, when the stock was up at 300, is it really possible? Of course it's possible, but you're getting into some really nice value territory at that point. And right now we've had sold off quite a lot in this market and in this stock. So from a longer term perspective, this could be a nice opportunity. You're already down about 70% in the stock from the highs. So just looking at it right now, we are down 61. So we were down at 70, now we're at 61. So it's starting to come back just a little bit. And it's to be expected where you're going to have a little bit of red. It's just natural to go higher. It's not going to be all green every single day. That's just the market. You're not getting green every day. But nevertheless, I mean, it's looking like it's holding right now. The lines are starting to shift. You're starting to see some support, stability right here. And that looks pretty good. So in that case, I say it's at least a good nibbling opportunity to start buying a little bit of the dips and that kind of thing. But watch some of those key lower levels around $90 to $100, where if it breaks below that, that could be a little bit of a problem. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed that video. And remember to join the Discord channel or check out the Traders Fly website for classes, events, get on the newsletter list, and I will see you there.